guys, welcome back again to my channel, and for today's video guys, I was just gonna inform you that I'm selling Anneclutzbrushes. So I can ship guys wherever you are in Europe, but I'm based here in Norway. So I have here guys my Anneclutzbrushes. This is a black pouch with a name Blend Now Aura Later by Anneclutz, and it has two tags here that says thank you Anneclutz. I hope you can see it guys. And the other side is the brushes. So guys, I will gonna show it to you one by one and what's their uses and how it looks like, because I haven't used it all. I just maybe use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes out of 10. So I will and see there's still plastic in it, so I will show you to you one by one so you can see and you can think if you're gonna buy it or not. So just keep on watching. So yeah guys, I'm gonna show it to you one by one about the brushes, and so you can also see how they look like, the brushes, the the hairs, how it looks like. So I will gonna show to you first the small eyeshadow blender. So this one, I hope you can see it guys, like this. So it's not so small, it's not so big. I guess it's a perfect size. This one guys, if I'm gonna measure my hand like this, so it's quite like that. So it's not too long, it's not too small, it's just perfectly fits if you have a pouch like this. So it's just perfectly fits here. So the next one is big blending brush. So here guys, it's a little bit longer brush. You can see that if you're gonna compare it here, it's a little bit longer. It's really perfect to blend in the eyeshadow. The third one is the fan brush. Pretty guys, look at that. It's a brown color because I'm using this one already. The fourth here is the blush brush. It's a little bit round in the head of it. It's not flat, so it's a little bit bigger. Just perfect for the blush. I haven't used this one because I still have one there. There's no tusok effect. It's not harsh to the face. It's not painful guys. It's very soft. I can assure you it's very soft. The fifth brush is the powder brush. So this one came with a net in the brush, and if you're just gonna remove like this, and if you want to put it again, you just have to put it at the bottom and then slide to the top. So I didn't throw it because this is really useful if I'm gonna store it. So yeah, like this. Oh my god, this is really soft. If you're gonna do baking to your face, this is really perfect. The next is contour brush. So as you can see guys, it has a slant effect in the brush. It's not round, it's flat here in the head. I'm using this one too, so this is really perfect if you're gonna do a contour here. I'm not so perfect in putting makeup guys, but I'm using this one to contour my face. This is really pretty. Next here is the flat angle KABUKI. Angled and flat. So it's angled guys, it's slanting here and it's very flat. Very flat. The next one here is the eyeshadow shader. So this one, it's not so much here. This is just For the eyeshadow, this is just 4 pieces, but you can still use this one. If you just have 2 colors or like 3 colors, that is really perfect. And you can also buy the eye essential, but I don't have stock on it. It's just the beginner brush. And the 9th brush is the concealer brush. So this is a little bit longer than the eyeshadow shader brush. So this one here is the concealer. This is perfect, guys, to put concealer because it's really flat here and it's long, so you can really put under your eyelids, or no, under your pilik mata, or what's that in English? Pilik mata, guys. So it's really perfect. So let's go to the last one. This is called small angle brush. If I'm not mistaken, you can use it in your eyebrows. I haven't used this one because I have another one. It would be so interesting to use if it works to my eyebrows. If you guys gonna ask me what's my favorite here, this is really hard to choose, guys, because this all here is really brush essential. If you're a YouTuber, you just put it in a jar, in a transparent jar, and just put small pebbles, and put it as a background. If you have a makeup theme in your channel, then you can just put it at the back of you while you're filming, and then voila, it's a ornament or it's a design. If you're gonna buy it, guys, you won't really regret it because Anneclutz really or personally choose those brushes. So I guess these brushes here really made with effort and with love. So if you want to purchase it, just message me in Facebook, in Instagram. I will put the link down in the description box, and I'll be waiting your message, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.